everybody? I am here in Jamaica, Queens, in New York for New York Fight Exchange 3, and let me tell you, the intensity of this place is insane. I'm at the top of my lungs. You can hear the crowd going nuts for some fights that are going on as we speak, and it is insane. We have people like Dennis Bermudez dropping by. Rafael Sapo Natal has also dropped by to support their fighters and teammates. It has been one heck of a night of fights. New York Fight Exchange making it happen in the lovely state of New York, where pro MMA is still not legalized. Come on! When are we going to get pro MMA in New York? But in any case, we have amateur MMA making it happen, bringing the East Coast fight scene to the places and the masses. Here, like I said, we've had, last time you saw me, Terminal 5 in New York City for Victory Combat. I'm here at a lovely venue at the Amazura, Jamaica, Queens, New York, and it has been fantastic. I can't wait to see more from New York Fight Exchange, and honestly, top to bottom, it's been a great card. We've had multiple fighters, different weight classes, a lot of fighters, fans, that you will be seeing future fighters fighting for Bellator, UFC, Legacy, a bunch of awesome companies that need fresh faces, especially from the East Coast. It's just so depressing that you don't get to see these fighters who come out of New York, make their pro debut here in New York. Unfortunately, they have to go to a neighboring state like New Jersey, and let's be frank, who wants to go to New Jersey? I'm kidding, New Jersey is probably a very lovely place. But in any case, I'll keep the stand-up act for a different night. This is the Mixer, Stephen DeMeng. I want to give a huge thanks to New York Fight Exchange, huge thanks to 1495 Sports for making it happen. Stephen DeMeng here, calling it like it is. Enjoy the MMA fights we have lined up. I can't wait to watch them, and the Mixer will be here always to tell you about it. Thank you for tuning in, guys.